Welcome back. Let's now talk about Delhi elections because the campaigning that seems to be heating up, the freebies that have also quickly become the fulcrum of the poll pitch for all the political parties. As the proponent-in-chief, Aam Aadmi Party, which has now been persistent in ensuring that the voters do not forget whose reveries that they have been benefiting from the last 10 years. The party that has also been dog-whistling about the schemes being stopped if the Aam Aadmi Party doesn't return to power. Now, in the latest, Arvind Kejriwal, while addressing a gathering in Najafgarh, said that if the people vote for the BJP, then the people of Delhi will lose free electricity, free medical treatment, mohalla clinics, free education, and therefore they should be wary when it comes to pressing the button to cast their vote for the BJP, because all the benefits that they have been getting for the last 10 years under his governance will go away.
ये कमल का बटन बड़ा खतरनाक है, बड़ा खतरनाक है। और झाड़ू घर की लक्ष्मी मानी जाती है, घर की लक्ष्मी मानी जाती है। गलत बटन दबा दिया, 22,000 रुपए महीना कहां से लाओगे? लुट जाएंगे, दिल्ली में रहने लायक नहीं बचेंगे, दिल्ली छोड़ के जानी पड़ेगी। सही बटन दबा देना, झाड़ू का बटन दबा देना।
Now, indignant over the insulting reference to the Kamal or the lotus, the BJP seems to be broad-based on the context to allege that calling it dangerous would mean an insult to the national flower and to many gods and deities who are depicted sitting on the flower as well. So, talking about that Jhadu is a Lakshmi that comes into your house, however, depicting the same flower which Lakshmi ji can be seen with is also an insult to the deity. This is what the BJP is now saying.
मिस्टर कपटीवाल, पहले तो रामायण उल्टी पढ़ दी, अब हमारे देवियों का अपमान कर दिया। कमल खतरनाक है। क्या है कमल? कमल इज आवर नेशनल फ्लावर, हमारा राष्ट्रीय फूल है कमल। देवियां बैठती है, लक्ष्मी माँ बैठती है उस पर, सिद्धार्थी बैठती हैं। मतलब देवी देवताओं का अपमान करो, राष्ट्रीय फूल का अपमान करो, ये राष्ट्र विरोधी बातें तो खैर आपको शोभा देती हैं। गुड, कीप ऑन गोइंग। ये 5 तारीख आते आते ना पूरा मानसिक संतुलन बिगड़ जाएगा।
अरविंद केजरीवाल कहते हैं कमल खतरनाक है, झाड़ू तो घर की लक्ष्मी है। कमल केवल भारतीय जनता पार्टी का चिन्ह नहीं, राष्ट्रीय पुष्प है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी को गाली देते देते राष्ट्रीय पुष्प, नेशनल फ्लावर को ही गाली देने लगे। अभी रामायण पर जो कहा था अरविंद केजरीवाल ने, और इसके अलावा हमने देखा है कि इनके साथी वही है जो सनातन को लगातार गाली देते। तो आज फिर से वही चीज वोट बैंक को खुश करने के लिए कमल को गाली, राष्ट्रीय पुष्प को गाली।
Well, Sabyasachi, the context exactly, where is it being taken from and where exactly it is now headed? Is an insult to the Jhadu means insult to Lakshmi, or does an insult to a lotus also mean insult to Lakshmi Ma? So these are the, when it comes to the to and fro that seems to be happening when it comes to the political discourse that is being witnessed during any campaign that is being done from the political parties on ground.
Well, that's right. See, the Aam Aadmi Party has been continuously attacking the BJP and telling the people of the national capital that if they vote for the BJP, they are going to lose all the freebies that are being provided by the Arvind Kejriwal government in the last 10 years. In fact, he also compared the electricity bill of the people of Gujarat and of the people of the national capital. Mr. Arvind Kejriwal says that the symbol lotus is dangerous, and if the people of the national capital vote for the lotus, then they are going to lose free electricity, the mohalla clinic and other freebies that are being provided by the Aam Aadmi Party government. But on the other hand, the BJP also questioned the intent of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, stating that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal has insulted the national flower as well as the lotus symbol, which could be seen where the goddess and goddesses depict sitting in the lotus. So it is an insult to the Hindu deity. In fact, the BJP says that time and again Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, to please the minorities, are trying to insult the Hindu religion, and that is the reason he has been doing so. So
that has been the political discourse that has now been witnessed during the election campaigning by the political parties in the national capital. Sabyasachi, thank you very much for joining in. Lots more lined up. We'll join you on the other side of a very short break.